Vast landscapes, dense forests, rolling hills. We're lucky to call the Siegerland region in central Germany home. Natural, down to earth, authentic. We love the region and the people who live and work here. And we love steel too. Welcome to the SCHAEFER WERKE Group. Since Fritz Schäfer founded the company in 1937, our products and services have been creating added value out of steel, thanks to the continuous expansion by his four sons, Hans, Gerhard and especially Manfred and Theo. In terms of the SCHAEFER WERKE on the Pfannenberg, three independent group of companies have taken shape: SSI Schäfer, SCHAEFER Shop, and us, the SCHAEFER WERKE Group. By thinking across generations and acting in long-term interests, we have always adapted and developed in an agile manner. Today, we're still an independent and value-oriented family business with over 1,100 employees spread across 6 locations in Germany, the Czech Republic and the USA. We believe in experience, quality, innovation and sustainability. Our customers are at the heart of what we do. Our dedicated teams work in 6 different business areas to create the best solutions for customers. The core of the SCHAEFER WERKE Group lies in our in-house diversified further processing in products and solutions with extreme added value. When it comes to steel products and solutions, we are a responsible consultant and reliable partner, with excellence and passion for our customers. All products, investments and processes focus on longevity, the circular economy and the optimal use of resources. At our sites we operate photovoltaic systems. We use electric cars, as well as forklift trucks and shunting locomotives. We recycle steel scrap. And we support our trainees' sustainability projects. For our customers, we offer a wide range of CO2-reduced green steel, as well as water-cooled IT systems, perforated sheets for the production of hydrogen and e-fuels. And we also promote the circular economy through reusable stainless steel containers and much more besides. We push ahead, seize opportunities, and act in a sustainable and solution-oriented manner for future generations. Above all, we look out for people, for our customers, for our suppliers, and especially for our employees and the people in our regions. Successful and harmonious cooperation is only possible when respect, open-mindedness, and appreciation are not just buzzwords, but a way of life. We take responsibility for our actions, always driven by a sense of appreciation, trust, tolerance and respect, as well as team spirit towards all partners, both internally and externally. SCHAEFER WERKE Group. Expertise and passion in steel processing.